check this t-shirt out. Big skull. Obviously we mean business today. Kind of a surprise video. I didn't expect to be doing this so soon. One of the things that's been preventing me from riding this Sherco 300 the way I want to, i.e. on rocks and doing ridiculous hard enduro type stuff, is the lack of pipe protection. So we've been running some faster single track, which is fun. It's fun in short bursts. It's kind of not my jam. My jam is getting better at the hard technical terrain. That's what I enjoy. What I got today, straight from Turkey, is now going to allow me to go really romp around in some rocks and stuff without the concern of smashing my pipe in. Now the bike's less than a month old, so right now I'm desperately concerned about the condition of the expansion chamber. I don't want any dents in it. Now, 6 months from now, I probably won't care, but now I do care. So what I got here is basically a banana hammock for the pipe. I'd say this thing's about 5 to 7 pounds. It's not too heavy. Stainless steel, decent welds, got some penetration here. I'm pretty happy with the overall look of this thing. Now, this is MOTOES brand. MOTOES is a Turkish company, as I said before. The price point on these is really good. I'm gonna leave a link below where you could check out some of their stuff. They have a lot of good stuff. I've been running their skid plate pipe protection combo on the beta, and that thing has held up to some gnarliness. It really has. I did have to go in there and make some adjustments after just smashing it on a million rocks. But all in all, that thing is done. I'm incredibly impressed. This, however, is just pipe protection. I'm running the AXP skid plate already, so I didn't need a skid plate as well. And I like the AXP, it's nice and light. I'm gonna install it real quick. It should be pretty easy. And we'll kind of go over what we think about this thing. Now, it's not a review because I haven't even smashed it into a rock yet, but I'll definitely circle back and talk about this thing later. As I put it through the torture test, that is what we ride. So when I ordered this thing, it took about 10 days to get here. So you gotta remember, so it's coming from Turkey, so it's gotta leave Turkey, it's gotta land in the EU somewhere, go through customs, come to the US, go through customs, or Canada, wherever, right? And then go through the shipping process in your country too. But all in all, I think it took like 10, 11 days. It really wasn't that bad. And it was a surprise when it showed up. So this thing's gonna have a few different parts to it. This is a bracket that's gonna be connected to it when you get it. You got bolts for that. This bracket's pretty well built. It kind of, the way it's built, it's gusseted, so it shouldn't bend this way or that way. So that's really good. Sometimes in shipping, these little rubber things come off. Just look for it and kind of stick it back on. Because you're gonna want this to keep, this thing from scratching your frame. As well, got a gang of stickers here. What? All these stickers? Oh my God, there's so many stickers. I just dropped 20 of them. Oh, we got Sherco stickers, cool. So you're gonna have this guy, you're gonna have some of these little C-clamps. This is obviously gonna go here, and then these C-clamps will hold the upper part to your upper frame, guys. So I'm gonna throw it on. We'll see what happens here. It should be pretty easy. I do know I'm gonna have to drill through the AXP skid plate in order to mount this part, but that's fine. That should be really easy. That should be a quick job. There's no real instructions for this when you get it, so you kind of just gotta use your brain and figure it out. It's not that complicated at all. If you have any skill at putting things together, you're gonna figure it out pretty quick. So the first thing I'm gonna do, because I know I need to drill into my skid plate down here, is get this kind of mounted up on the top here. That works. That was a good idea. Yeah, that's what I recommend. Like I said, take this and bend it out just ever so slightly. The only complaint I have so far, okay, really, is that these nuts are not nylock nuts. So you definitely want to throw some red Loctite on these things, or go get some nylock nuts. Throw a couple nuts in here, get this thing staying. What I wanted to do is just get this in place, kind of tighten it down a bit more. That way it doesn't move. And I'm gonna mark where I need to drill underneath on the skid plate. in order to go through the skid plate and hit the bracket that comes with this. Pretty simple, pretty simple. So that looks pretty decent. I think now I can just mark where I want to drill. Drill a few holes, and I might even be able to drill without taking it off. I'm just saying. Here, I'll show you what I'm doing. Underneath the bike, what's up, dirty skid plate? So you can see, this is where I'm gonna need to drill a couple holes. There we go, just hit in the middle of that. Nice. Nice. And then this little guy, this is gonna slide in here, and the bolts will mount through this into this, holding it to your bike. Easy peasy, it goes in there nice. Doesn't seem to be really anything in the way. So that's good. I'm gonna put some red Loctite on there, because I know these will back themselves out if I don't. Let's get that in there really good. Yeah. 10 millimeter, grab your T-wrench if you got one. This is the easiest install ever, to be honest with you. Pretty happy with this already. Let's see if I can find some nylock nuts, which I probably won't have any that are right size, but we'll see. Let's see if these fit. What? Oh, they do fit. Yes. All right. Heck yeah, dude. We are solid. Look at the... Bro, get out of my way, tire. Okay. Nice. That'll do, pig. It's pretty solid. It's definitely not moving. This isn't maybe the prettiest, but you could probably cut those off if you want to. It's up to you. That is MOTOES pipe protection. It's pretty dope. And very good price point. Not bad looking. Definitely makes this bike look a bit more rugged, just saying. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. Hit me up on Instagram. Definitely leave a comment below where you trust this to protect your pipe. What are you using to protect your pipe? Have you ever heard of the MOTOES brand? Anything. Leave a comment. Tell me I'm a douchebag. Whatever. I just like to comment. People, you know, interacting helps the algorithms and stuff. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I guess we'll see you later. Bye.